many of you are sophomores? A bunch, okay. If your schedule was anything like mine was, you guys had the crap load of time you kill in between classes. Obviously, if your friends are around, you can easily socialize with them. Occasionally, they're not going to be around, so what are you going to do? Are you going to play your mindless games on your smartphone? Are you going to look at ridiculous videos on YouTube? Are you going to Facebook stalk people? Or you can do Sudokus, which I found to be a very challenging way to spend my time and also very beneficial. What I'm going to do today is give you basically the history of Sudokus, what the basics are, and how to solve it. The history of Sudoku, the full name is this. I'm not going to try. I asked our Japanese expert back there, she didn't want to help me out. What it translates to is the numerals must remain single. What that means, you'll find out. The derivative is from Latin squares, which in the 18th century, Leonard Euler, a Swiss mathematician, created the game. It's basically what you see in front of you, except it's without the interior blocks. So it's 1 through 9, down and across. In the 1970s, Dell Magazines published what is now this format under the name Number Place. And then the Sudoku name came about when Makai Kaji started publishing them in the Nikolai Inc., which is a game company. Okay, the basics are, you have a 9x9 block. Within it are nine grids. Each grid must contain numbers 1 through 9, but only once. Each column must contain the numbers 1 through 9, but only once. And each row is, guess what, 1 through 9, only once. One of the methods I found to solve these, what I like to start with is to take two adjoining blocks that actually have two numbers of the same, and then try and solve where the location will be in the third block. As you see, we have two 4s here, so where the 4 is going to go, we don't know. Until we look down here, we see a 4 down here, so obviously the 4 must be placed in the block. Another method is to go within each block and decide what needs to be solved. I've skipped forward ahead a little bit of the puzzle here. And we see we need a 1, a 3, and an 8. Obviously the 8 is here, so the 8 cannot be here, so the 8 must be in that block. We can also solve by row or by column. Here we're just trying to solve the row. Once again, I've skipped forward ahead just so we can actually do the puzzle. We have the 6, the 1, the 8, and the 7. So in order to find the remaining numbers, you look around those blocks. You can see there's a 9 in this block, so therefore the 9 cannot be in this block. And there's also a 9 in this block, so the 9 cannot be in those. So the 9 must be placed here. Now where it gets more challenging is once those three methods have basically expired. So we're going to skip further ahead in the puzzle, and you'll see we need a 1 and a 9 to solve this. There's no 1s, there's no 9s, so what are we going to do? Well, we have to incorporate the other methods. Say we're going to try and look for the 9, which obviously will be fine. So we have this 9 here, and the 9 here. So there must be a 9 in these two blocks. There's also a 9 down here in the bottom, and a 9 over here. So the 9 must be in these two blocks. Which one? We don't know. But luckily, we don't need to know. So obviously, in order to create the 3 columns having 9s, this column must possess a 9. So, next. Okay, obviously it's very evident how much time can be spent on these Sudokus. But what most people don't realize is the mental growth you're gaining while doing this puzzle. Especially once you have to go beyond those 3 original methods and incorporate the methods together. What it basically does is increase your logic functioning. And as you progress, hopefully trying more and more difficult games, your ability to do logic functions, speeds up, you actually become smarter. You might say. Okay. So now you have a constructive way to waste the countless hours you have between class. Though the design of Sudokus are very simple, they can be very complex, and solving them can be quite fulfilling. And I found that to be quite beneficial myself. So the next time you have something you need to do, that makes sense. So the next time you have time you need to kill, attempt the Sudoku, and you can always find them for free in the USA Today, the Reading Eagle, which are both located in your readership program, little thingamajigs that are located in the lounges. Any questions?